So viewers, I have just been cleaning out this crevice here and doing some thinking, and I think it is time for an update on the rock bar, as I have been doing some digging and some cleaning out of crevices, and then more digging and more cleaning out of crevices, and the whole journey has been quite large in retrospect. But the sun is on the horizon. I've done 5 cradling sessions, and pretty large ones at that. I know it's probably not as clean as some people might think, but I've been walking over it and stuff. But I've got 2 more cradling sessions left to go on my journey of this episode that I'm trying to create, where we get some really good gold. So I'm bouncing off the walls here, folks, and just wanted to let you know that I've put a lot of work in and I am steamrolling ahead. Okay, so that was really close. Luckily, we had the guidance of an older fella here to let us know that technically what we were doing was illegal, because I'm using the electric pump. I mean, I really thought because I was on my own land, I'm doing a recirculating system with water, and I wasn't like a ute load of gravel using it as a high banker. I was using it as a recovery system with concentrates that I had cradled up with a lot of effort. So that's why we've taken a step back, because I put a lot of effort into this and I want to do it correctly. And by law, correctly, no matter which way me and Joshy asked the AI about New South Wales laws, having an electric pump was just a no-go, no matter which way we could get around it, until we thought about a gravity-fed system. No electricity, no motors. So I have moved over my farm ute, put a pod on top of the farm ute. We still couldn't get away with not using the electric pump. I'm still using the pump to put water in the pod, but obviously I take that away and we've got a pressure run, gravity run system to run the cleanup sluice. And finally find some good gold. But again, this is how silly the law is. If I was to connect this to the cleanup sluice, come over here, Jarrett, for me, my cameraman today. If I was connecting the pump to the cleanup sluice and having it running, completely illegal. But now I have got it going from the pod here. Open up the valve. We had to do a little bit of trickery with some tie wire as usual, and make a bit more of a spray bar, because it just didn't have enough pressure to run the spray bar that's there. But now we've got it cranking. We've got it cranking. and legally too. But mind you, if you want to leave some comments about how you think there could be some loopholes in the law and how silly the law is about this type of a spectacle of what I'm going to have to go through to make technically a very legal cleanup sluice. Leave the comments, let me know what you think. Now, let's feed this and find some gold. Woo! Going to unplug that so we're super legal, so that there is no electricity being used at all at the moment. It is now running just off the pod. 1,000 litre pod, giving us pressure for our cleanup sluice. Take the hose out. Right, let's get back to feeding. Oh wow, that is some nice colour in there. Wow, we've done like 2 buckets and that is so cool. Wow, that's good to see. That's good to see.
Nice colour. Oh yeah.
Okay folks, we've just stopped to fill the top tank up for our gravity fed system, and yeah, you know, suffice to say, that's a lot of gold. Some really nice chunky pieces and a lot of fine hill end Tambaroora gold. I mean, imagine just turning off the water, and can you get rid of the grate for us there, Jared? And yeah, just seeing that, that is some glitter. Happy, happy days. And yeah, as Jared's trying to show, is like some over there in the corner.
Everywhere.
There's some up there in the corner. There's some down here in this corner. Actually, there's quite a lot down there in that corner. We get some shadow on that. Oh, this is going to be a good clean up.
Couple of nice pieces down the bottom there.
Yes. Yes, wicked. Very happy to finally be getting these buckets of concentrates from Cradling for 7 days done. Very rewarding to see some gold in the cleanup sluice. So we're a fair few buckets down. Buckets down, buckets are getting cleaned, and gold is being found. Jarrett is over here just obsessing.
Gold everywhere.
There is, I mean, wow. It's just been a really good cleanup. We've been kicking back, having beers, listening to music, and finding that beautiful color. I mean, it's even all down in here. Below the mat, over in the corner, up over there, there's just a monster of a piece there. That's a picker there. For sure. Oh, I'm not showing you, I'm just looking. Am I? I don't know. But yeah, this has been fun. This has been super fun. Let me get rid of this grey here and show you the top mat is glittering as well. Wow, you can see it's just been forming there, it's been moving, and that's some good gold. That is some good hill end gold. Yeah, show us the colour, Jarrett. Nice.
Not bad, it'll clean it. We've still got more to go.